going to do it.
The water's all out here, I forgot.
Oh, there you go.
And
Listen,
it's free!
the nobility doesn't want you to know this, but the water falling from the sky, it's free. You can take it home. They can't tax you on it. And if they do try to tax you on it, you probably still have to listen to them. They have swords. You've got a sword. You'll be fine.
Oh
As long as you've got a legal pirate license. I'm a rogue of this land, and the Rogues Guild are not legally allowed to carry weapons. Distinctly. Anyways.
On the other hand, if you take that ukulele.
If I take this ukulele, listen, I'll take this ukulele and I'll take it slow, and I'll take it hard.
That's the late show.
Yeah.
That's the after party.
That's the show for 12:45
For 12:45 a.m.
It's currently like
see
1
me.
in the afternoon.
At 12:45 a.m., that's when I get to show you my Show Me Your Tips spin. Woo! It's right here. Anyways, now, my good friends, my good audience, I do have to tell you something. We've been doing so much singing up here. It's very hard work for us bards, but we would love it for all of thee to chip in. Yes, that's right, because this part of the show is the audience precipitation section.
Yeah!
Wait, it's participation. Thank you very much.
No, it's precipitation.
No.
both.
It's the audience precipitation, because that's when the audience is supposed to make it rain.
They have already done that.
It's all right. Thank the audience! Get a round of applause for the audience! No, but dear audience, I do have to make a confession to all of thee, because outside of this fair, I do in fact have to work. I know, it's so sad, a bard having to work, it's so terrible. Yes, in sooth, outside of this fair, I work at a TJ Maxx for $14.13 an hour. So if you would like to support us, Magpie, what are we selling for $1?
Our love and affection.
Yes!
A single high five
Budgie.
from any of us.
Budgie, what are we selling for $5?
For $5, you receive one crisp high five.
That's absolutely right. We have absolutely no merchandise. But if you would like to show us any of your affection, we would greatly appreciate it right over here. No, but this song does actually have audience participation in it, because we are going to be doing the Drunken Sailor. How many of you are familiar with the Drunken Sailor?
How many of you are drunken sailors?
How many of you are drunken sailors who are familiar with a lot of drunken sailors?
Yar har, fiddle-dee-fee.
Indeed.
Now, one of my favorite things about the Drunken Sailor is that since everybody knows it and it's so simple, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's got their own verse to the Drunken Sailor. And I really like verses to the Drunken Sailor because they get weird, they get funky. So I want all of you to come up with your own weird, funky Drunken Sailor verse, and when I call on you, you can give it to me.
Get
You get to give it to me.
us.
Now, I want something for the example like hide his socks inside the freezer. That's something funky. However, I will be doing most of the song ahead of time, so I'll give you the chance to either come up with one yourself, either poke your friends and come up with one. Half of you are probably going to Google it anyways because, you know, I don't know how to make rhymes and they pay me to make rhymes. Anyways, before we do the Drunken Sailor, also, I do it a little bit differently than other people because I love the longest Johns. As you can tell with me having done Hoist Up the Thing. So we're going to do the longest John's version of the Drunken Sailor. Are we ready? Come up with your verses. From Tortuga's port we put to sea and sailed for 16 days. In the biggest storm I'd ever seen, we'd almost lost our way. When a call came from a deck half, boys, I think she's going down. But don't you fear, there's enough from here to drink until we drown. Oh, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises early in the morning. Jump in if you know it. So each deckhand grabbed a barrel, broke the seal and took a swig, and soon their screams turned into songs, their panic work turned into jigs. The first mate bellowed orders, ever trying to save their skins. Any drunken wretch that the captain catch, he'll beat your limb from limb. Oh, what shall I do with a drunken sailor? Oh, the drunken sailor. drunken sailor early in the morning. Way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises early in the morning. Every man continued drinking, all of their duties long forgot. They were deaf to every order till they heard a pistol shot. The captain stood upon the deck, the storm above his head. He said, back to your post, or by my ghost, you'll wish that you were dead. What shall I do with a drunken sailor? With a drunken sailor. What shall I do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Early in the morning. Every drunk receives a beating. Some of the drunker managed to. The captain kept an eye until he'd sobered up his crew. He then retired to quarters, put the rum upon his shelf, sat in his seat, put up his feet, and drank the rest himself. Oh, what shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Early in the morning. All right, who's got a weird drunken sailor verse?
Oh, I see it.
Lock him in a parrot cage, lock him in a parrot cage, lock him in a parrot cage, early in the morning,
early in the morning. Way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, early in the morning.
sit him in a harp and make him tune it,
Sit him in a harp and make him tune it, sit him in a harp and make him tune it, sit him in a harp. It's already hard enough with my ukulele. Way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, way hey, up she rises, early in the morning. One last one. Who's got one last one?
Take him to the tavern and get him drunker.
Take him to the tavern and get him drunker. Take him to the tavern and get him drunker. Take him to the tavern and get him drunker. Early in the morning. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Way hey, up she rises. Early in the morning. Put him in a, lock him up in a parrot cage. Take him to the tavern and get him drunker. Bring him to a harp and make him tune it. Oh, there's a lever there. Early